Good morning, friends. It's Miss Nikki, and today, for the letter of the week, we're going to learn about the letter F. Can you say F?
F.
F says like fish, or fox, or flowers. F says. Let's see if we can find the letter F. There it is. There's the letter F. F. Down, and then a line across the top, and a line in the middle. F. To make an F, you start at the top and go down. Then you go back up to the top and make one line across, two lines across. F. F. There are two F's, the big uppercase F and the little lowercase f. Let's practice everything again. What does F say? Say f like fish.
Fish.
Fox.
Fox.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Great job learning the letter F with me. See you next time for another letter.